Hello everyone, welcome back for my channel, welcome back for another video. Amazing weather, abs workout for today, so take your mat and let's get started. Take a deep breath first and then exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Lie down. We're gonna start with flat back. We're gonna start with crunch 20. Bend your legs 90 degrees in front of you, flat back. From here, I want you to elevate your upper body as high as possible. So as high as possible, you are elevating your upper back. Take a deep breath first. Here we go, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flat back, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, go ahead, 13, 14, 15, nice, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one will be straight legs in front. We're going to place our arms behind our head, and from here we're going to lower our left leg, right leg forward, and then we switch, turn towards the left side, and then we'll switch left elbow to the right knee, switch towards the left side. Here we go, 20. What I want to mention, please keep your back flat, rotate your pelvis, and let's get started. 20. Take a deep breath. Straight legs up. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Go ahead. 2. Push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. We're gonna do one more set of these two exercises, and the next exercise will be the same, 2 sets of each one together, switching 1 and 2nd. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Flat back. Raise your legs 90 degrees. Crunch 20, up as high as possible. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. If you cannot do 20, you can do 10, 12, it's okay for me. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, straight legs up. 20, left, right. And 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Stand up. Take a deep breath. We continue the next one. Exhale. What we're gonna do next, elbows on the ground, you bend your legs in front of you. We're gonna lower your legs first, 1 time bended, 1 time straight, 1 time bended, 1 time straight. What I want to mention here, if you are not so strong, please do not lower your legs too much, just leave it. Or if you cannot do with straight legs, you can just follow up only with bended legs. It's okay for me. I don't complain about that. Just make sure to tight your core and lower back and feel strong and stable. Take a deep breath. Place your elbows on the ground. Here we go. 20. 2. 4. 5. 6. 8. 10. 12. 14. 16. 18. 20. Okay, back up. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We're gonna mix it with be seated, bend your legs, place your arms behind your head. From here, we're gonna twist towards the left, raise our left foot, touch and switch. Right and switch. Left and switch. 20, switching left, right. Take a deep breath. Place your arms behind, exhale. Towards the left side first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your back straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Keep push. 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, one more set of these two exercises and we continue to the next one. Exhale. Elbows on the ground. Keep your back straight. Do not relax your hip, lower back. You should tighten everything. Here we go. Raise your legs. 20. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And release. Awesome. Core is really burning. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, 20. Be seated, bend your legs slightly. Look forward, lean backwards a little bit. Back should be straight, place your arms behind. Starting from the left side, take a deep breath. 20. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Let's do a quick stretch and we move forward. Take a deep breath. Upper facing dog. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We continue. Plank position, we're gonna bend our knees only. So, legs together, engage your core, lower back, tight everything. From here, we're gonna bend our knees and back up. Bend our knees and back up. 20 times. Take a deep breath first. Plank position. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We're gonna mix it with scissors 20 times. Lie down on the back. Take a deep breath first. Awesome. Straight legs in front of you. We're gonna switch. Right, left. This counts as one. Take a deep breath. Flat back, straight legs in front of you. Let's work. Right for up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Core is burning, right? Okay, up. One more plank position 20 times and then scissors. Take a deep breath. Nice. Arms closer. Plank position. Rotate your pelvis, engage your core, lower back. Let's work. 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Core feels really good. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. 20 scissors. Flat back, straight legs in front. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, release. Take a deep breath. Put your hip up as high as possible. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, up. Sit down, knees on the ground. Let's take a few more deep breaths and we are done. Exhale. One more. Exhale. That's it. Done. Quick one. Really efficient ab workout. Stay strong, wish you all the best, take care of yourself. Don't forget, your body is your clock. And by the way, if you're not subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe, share, comment. Hope to help more and more people. Peace out.